pong flapper na may hawak ng flapper na basta. And then bibigyan ko po kayo tag-isang sticker po ma'am, lagay niyo po sa dito. Pag nandun na po kayo sa arrival area na po nagdadaan. Dito. Para mabilis po tayo mahanap ni tour guide. Ilan kayo ma'am?
Anim kami.
Magkaibang agency pala kayo ma'am,
Orientation
no?
ko na isa.
Sa agency, papunta ng Vietnam. Picture po muna kayo ma'am.
Okay. Kuya, anong masasabi mo?
Naantok na.
Hindi ka pa nakakalis, mapapagod ka na. Ito na guys, via Vietjet Airline. Check-in na kami. Haba ng pila. Boarding time na kami. 3:35 ang flight. First time namin sumakay ng Vietnam Air. Danang Vietnam. Dito na kami ngayon sa Danang Airport Immigration. Haba ng pila. Tapos na namin yung immigration, wala namang katanong-tanong. Siguro dahil nga sa group tour kami. Ngayon kukunin na namin yung baggage namin. Maganda rin naman yung airport nila kahit pa paano. Ayan, nakuha na namin yung baggage namin. Napunta na kami ngayon sa bus namin. Maraming tour na to, kaya 1 to 7 na bus. Pang 7 kami. Ito na yung bus 7. Lahat ng bus nandito. Morning!
Welcome to Vietnam, everyone. Yeah, my name is Henry. Nice to meet you, everyone. Henry. Yeah, my name is Henry. I will be your tour guide in Da Nang City for 5 days in here, everyone. Yeah. So, may I know, everyone, this is the first time you've been in Vietnam, everyone?
First time.
Anyone
First
is the
time.
Oh, okay. Okay, so you are the first time, so I give you some information about our country, everyone. Now you can please same as every country in the Southeast Asia. In our country, we have a lot of scooter, motorbike. Yeah, you know, our population is 110, same as your country. Yeah, but you know how many motorbike scooter in our country? 60 million, everyone. 60 million, everyone. But you know what? Our capital, 1 peso, 380 dong. Yeah, everyone. That's it, the exchange rate for today. Europe, and you still have some bad Thai, or you have still everyone. You just remember, come on, baby. Yeah, you just say, come on. Yeah, it's mean thank you in Vietnam, everyone. Yeah, come on. Yeah,
Ito yung
remember, come
Dragon
on. Thank you.
Bridge.
Xin chào. Hello.
Dito kami ngayon magbe-breakfast sa Pho Men Chill. Kasali na to sa binayaran namin sa tour. So nagbayad kami ng 30,000 each. Transport, breakfast, dinner, lunch, kasama siya. Lahat na activities kasali. First breakfast.
village. And do you know the reason why there is so many boat in this area? Do you know why? Because the fishing boat can.
Pagoda.
You know the monk is the pagoda. Yeah, after they die, they will not see what the end of the yeah, anyway. Okay, follow me. We go to the Lady Buddha first. If you go to Thailand, you will see the Lady Buddha with the yellow color, right?
Yes.
Yeah, in here we have the Lady Buddha, but not in yellow color. It's white color and white.
Photo 100 peso. 100 peso. Philippines.
Di ba nakita natin yung ba't mahaba?
Ay, oo, sobrang haba nun. 1/4 lang yan.
Ay,
Sige lang, lakad na kayo.
Stop po.
Right? That is the Sia. Yeah, you want to use the Sia to get compact there? Yeah, okay, everyone. Now, before we enter to the pagoda, yeah, you know what's in here? When we go to the pagoda, the woman will go to the right and the man will go to the left. Do you know the reason why? Why? Because the woman always right. Yeah, so everyone saw the woman to the right and the man to anywhere he wants.
Mainit. Walang tulog. So, nag-check-in kami ng 11 o'clock kagabi. Ang flight, 3:30. Tapos, nakatulog na konti sa bus. After nun, nag-breakfast. So, ito na yung first destination sa pagoda para makita yung Lady Buddha. Hindi maaraw pero mayumid kaya mainit.
What pagoda? What temple? Temple pagoda is the same.
Ito yung group namin. Bus 7.
Lady Buddha. We are under the tree, everyone.
So, typical din para kang nasa Sri Lanka. Puro Buddha.
Anyone. And now,
Ito
we
daw
will
si
take
Lady
a
Buddha.
group picture. Yeah, group picture in front of the Lady Buddha. In front of the Lady Buddha, everyone. And after that, we will go to there. Come here, please. Yeah, oh, bus 7 picture, bus 7.
Bus 7 picture.
Tres.
Kung sa Georgia Tbilisi, may Mother Georgia. Dito naman may Lady Buddha. So marami rin ganito sa Thailand, marami din ganito sa Sri Lanka. Tapos yung mga bonsai nila ang gaganda.
Dito ka para
Ayan, picture daw sila.
Parang ang dilim.
Sobrang humid.
Parang ang dilim. Hindi makita yung picture.
Anong pangalan kaya ng Buddha na to? Baka ito si Buddha Happiness.
Ito matawag si Papa.
Dito at least mahangin. Diyos ko po. Hirap ng mayumid. Hawa ko na naman ang beef. Ito naman daw mga tindahan ng mga kape. Buti ka pa kuya, nakapagpapalit ka na, komportable ka na ba dyan? Sobrang humid eh. Hindi pwede mag-ano pala, pag magta-travel kayo guys ng ganitong June, masyadong mataas ang humid. Kaya kailangan talaga, light talaga. Although sabi nila uulan, huwag kayo maniniwala na malamig. Mataas ang humid. So nandito kami ngayon sa titikman mo daw kayo dito yung mga coffee daw, ewan ko.
And the dinner, we will have the dinner in the Coconut Village. Yeah, after we have lunch, we will back to the hotel to wait for the room. After we check in, I give you a time to change your clothes if you want. And after that, around 4 p.m., we will start to go to the Coconut Village. At the Coconut Village, you will ride the basketball, the row basketball. Yeah, on the river for around 30 to 35 minutes. After that, we will together have dinner at the Coconut Village in the same place. And after the Coconut Village, we will together go to the Hoi An Ancient Town. At the Hoi An Ancient Town, I will bring you to the night market. To the night market in Hoi An, everyone. And I will give you a free time to roam around there. And if you want pasar lubong, you can buy something in there. For your information, Hoi An is the famous with the lantern.
Yeah.
With the lantern. So tonight, I have one special gift for you. That's a signature activity in Hoi An, everyone. Yes. So you will try to the signature activity.
Daw tayo sa second floor. Ayun. So ito yung mga lunch.
Ay, niluluto mo.
So, after lunch, saka kami nakapag-check-in dito sa hotel. Sa Kam Sang Muong Grand Danang. 4-star siya. Ito na yung aming room.
Lucky number 611.
611.
Hello, this is our room. Here at Danang. Wow.
At least malaki din siya. So, ito yung kanilang may complimentary na tea. Yung bathroom nila.
Sino ang magbagahe?
Yan, 3.
Hindi mo kikita dito. Wala. Saan yun?
Ito.
Ang init.
Ano makikita dito? Wala.
Ayan o, yung mountain. Ganda naman. Anong pangalan na uli nitong hotel? Ang hirap kasi bigkasin eh. Muanta. Ay nako, nangitim na. Sobrang init dito sa Danang, Vietnam ngayon.
Ano? Ano sa ito?
Good afternoon mga ka-Thunders! Dito na uli kami sa bus. So ito yung continuation ng day 1 namin. Papunta kami ngayon sa Canaan Island Coconut Boat Ride. So 1 hour to. Na-refresh naman na kami kahit pa paano, nakapagpahinga, nakaligo. Sama lang kayo sa tour namin. Ito yung mga kasama ko sa tour bus 7. So tong Vietnam, para lang naman talagang Pilipinas din. Siyempre, nasa ano siya, Asia.
And you can see the water in here. It's not too deep, everyone. It's around here. Yeah, it's around here, everyone. It's not too deep. So, and you hear about the coconut shell, so you think about the crocodile, right?
Oh
yeah,
my
in here
God.
we don't have the nature crocodile anymore, everyone. Yeah, you know what's in here? The crocodile. We eat them all, everyone. Yeah.
Crocodile is in the Philippines.
About the skin. The skin we will use the skin for the leather. Yeah, the like wallets for the bag for the shoe. Yeah, for the belt we use the crocodile skin to make it into the leather, everyone. And the meat, you know, and the meat is very masarap, everyone. Very masarap when we barbecued it. So that's.
Ito na yung next activity namin, yung boat ride.
Ito po, dito kami sa... Ano ito pa?
Bibili ba tayo dyan?
Hindi pa kasi ganito din po sa probinsya namin. Sa
Ayan.
Pero hindi nga na pinagaling.
Sana sa binunuan kung natuloy yung palisdaan.
Takot din tayo pala.
Bibigyan tayo.
Wala, mamaya na maglalabas.
O, ikaw na, you go na, Jersey.
Cannonball.
Go, 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 go. You go.
Okay.
Oo.
Saan tayo doon?
Oh, nako, Jersey, ikaw. Sa gitna ka. Sure ka daw ba, Jersey?
Jesse! Jesse!
Ako na maglaro.
Parang ito man.
Ang dali lang.
Nagkakaunto.
Mabuhay, crocodile!
Forward na ako.
Ma, meron ako.
Pa. Pa. Ibig. Awitin mo at isasayaw ko. Galing. Yun, daming fish. Nakakahilo kaya?
Sa bawah.
Sarap ng pagkain dito. Punta na kami ngayon sa night market. Sakay ng parang tuk-tuk to din.
Parang trike.
E-trike, tuk-tuk. Ano pang tawag dito? Tahimik naman. Papunta na kami ng Lemo, Cagayan. Rico. Dito na kami ngayon sa Hoi An. Actually, para lang siyang Marikina River. Pwede pala tayo magkaroon ng ganito.
Okay, group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5, group 6, 7, and 8. Okay, everyone. Oh, you here? Okay, everyone. Let's come closer with me. Come here.
Henry, we have this one in the Philippines,
You have this one.
but no lantern.
Same.
Yeah, the same.
Okay, everyone. You
River bank.
See, I told you. That's the river. Yeah. They cross the Oyan and Central and divide it into the two sides. On your right hand, that's in the south side. On the left hand, that's in the north side. On the south side, we have the new night market. And on the north side, we have market at one. And in
Grabing
there,
pagka-humid, ang
we
init.
have before we have the Japanese and Chinese street everyone. But now, no more Chinese. No more.
Feel ko talaga nasa Marikina lang ako. Marikina River. Hoi An. Ay, may nakita ako.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, everyone, let's choose the color you want.
Correct. Dapat nag-wish ka.
Wish. Yan. Ayan o. Yan, lumutang na.
Dito kami ngayon sa Hoi An River. Tapos, kukuha ka daw ng lantern. Gift na sa amin nung tourist guide namin. Tapos, kailangan mo mag-wish. Mag-wish ka daw. Mag-wish ka ha.